Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate RDE Connect for multi-track recording prep, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate RDE Connect for multi-track recording, start by downloading the RDE Connect software from the official RDE website. Install the software by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, launch RDE Connect on your computer. Connect your RDE microphone to your computer using a USB. Ensure your microphone is powered on. In the RDE Connect software, select your microphone from the available input options. Adjust your input levels using the gain slider to ensure a clear audio signal. Enable multi-track recording by navigating to the Settings menu. In the Settings, ensure the multi-track option is checked. Select the desired sample rate for your recording from the drop-down menu. Head to the Tracks section to set the number of tracks you want for your recording. Assign your microphone to one of the available tracks. Repeat this process for any additional microphones or audio sources you want to include. Make sure all inputs are correctly configured and that levels are balanced. Test your setup by speaking into the microphone and observing the audio levels in the software. Once you're satisfied with the input levels, you're ready to begin recording. Click the record button to start your multi-track session. When finished, stop the recording and save your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.